Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York. And this is, do you have to replace rotted wood before installing vinyl siding? And the short answer is yes, you do. Depending on the level of rot, I know that some of these repairs can be difficult. So if it's surface rot, you could absolutely get away with it. But more importantly, I try to determine why the rot is happening. Where's the water source? Do you have to reorganize different flashings or roof components? Where's the leak taking place? A very common rot would be around your window or lower sills. You want to keep 8 inches off the ground, avoid ground contact. And around the windows, there are these great wraps that are available now. And basically what they do is they seal the window from the siding, allowing the water to just flow around the window and out. Lastly, there are epoxies available for the more difficult type of rot repairs, like sills or ornate carvings, stuff that you can't really get off easily, especially window sills. Sills are always rotting on older homes, so you can drill a series of holes and inject epoxy to it, and it adds that strength that it needs so that you can wrap it with aluminum or paint even. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.